I'm glad to be creative, and I am here with a little Tuesday morning haul, and just want to show you what I did pick up. Alright, Miss D, you got me. I remember even the bigger ones than this, but I did find this pack. I should have got the real huge ones last time, but I didn't. But these are $4.99. I thought I'd get these to share, since we're doing I'm going to send some of these to my friends, since we're doing the napkin stuff. I thought this might be a good one to use as a background for that, and we can do some challenges. I did pick up these nesting square doilies. I don't believe I had this shape, so that's why I got that one. I have a different square one. And I picked this up on clearance from one of the stores that's gone out of business. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. Miss Pa. So, got that stamp. I know I'm keeping that one. And then I got this one, a Robin and Rosie mug. So it's like, I like the little tea bag and, you know, a little coffee mug or teacup, whatever you want to call it, but it's more of a coffee mug. And there's the elements. Still on the fence about it, but I picked it up because I know you don't get it right then, you don't get it. And so I did pick up this on clearance, some more little buttons that go along with those ribbons. And these are some more of the napkins. No, I don't need any more. Gosh, it's sad. But they were on clearance, and that was another one. I just love the color scheme. So again, they were 60% off. So they were $1. So I mean, and then I'm sharing, and these were too. And of course, you know, kind of Independence Day kind of thought when I saw their flag in the background, but you know, it's Americana, and God knows barbecue and grilling. It's like it's just summertime passion. I got these fish. I love the colors first of all, and I got some other napkins with the color theme, but these would be great to be fussy cut out, which is sometimes tricky with napkins, but fussy cutting out and just, you know, using some matte medium and slather them down. I thought it'd be nice. And then I got this with my sister, for her, but I'm going to take some of them out because again, she knows the deal. If I pick it up, she got to share with me. But it's the kind of the purple fields and then the lemons, because she's a lemon person. So, but I'm also going to give some to my friends. So then the last part of this haul, and actually these went on my other haul, but this says, "What about you? Wish big friends, hooray!" And then exclamation point, hashtag. So it's 10 for $3.99. I'll probably keep these just because it's a different collection of words for $3.99, and I just like having words real quick that you can cut out. So I know I will keep those because "what about you" is a different kind of a phrase. They're separate words, and but you can use them in different sentences. This one I don't need, so I'll probably take this one back. It's lemon flowers, but it was $3.99. There's two kids like looking like they're around a sunflower. I mean, it's pretty, but I don't have to have that, so I think I'll take that one back. I did get this stamp, it was $3.99, but it says, I got this for art journaling. Life is art. Paint your dreams, sing your songs, enjoy the dance. I just thought that was a really nice sentiment, so I know I'm keeping that one. I did pick up One Sunny Days collection, and this has 40 pieces of ephemera. And those what those are. I don't even want to create a collection, but her color scheme seems to match pretty much everything. So I did get this Fuel by Coffee stamp set. I'm not even a coffee drinker, but I do kind of like that because a lot of people like coffee themed projects. And then I picked up some embossing folders, which no, God knows I do not need another embossing folder like I need a hole in my head. But these came out in April, and so I hadn't seen them in our stores because I hadn't been in Tuesday morning. I did all of this in like 2 days, the next 3 whatever videos. I did like 5 trips to 5 stores, and I think I made 3 videos. But anyway, because this is a combination of 2 stores. So this one is like a wedding one, but just all the elements of wedding stuff on it. Wedding dress, a cake, the toast together, the rings, presents, and flowers. These are 3 embossing strips. It says congratulations, wedding shower, and Mr. and Mrs. I don't have anyone to say Mr. and Mrs. I mean, yeah, I don't have one that says Mr. and Mrs. nor a wedding shower. I have a lot of different fonts that say congratulations, but then not the other two. And then this one, just all the different baby elements, a onesie, your blocks, your pin, you know, the ducky and the carriage and stuff, the bib. And I'm always doing a lot of baby showers. So again, this is, you know, your tea kettles, you know, teapots and stuff, so. And again, tea is real popular, so got that one as well. And this is more like a, just a mosaic, like a pattern to me. Like, you can cut these out. I thought, you know, this is going to be full card, of course, but you can do this as a rubbing, as an embossing folder, or you can cut these individual elements out and make your own design. You can repeat one, do multiple ones and repeat them and put them on as a background for some mixed media you want to. So you can do multiple of those or just multiple of an individual one and cut them out and paste them all on a page. So you can be creative with this if you want to, but I thought this is a real good one for background. But it has that floral background to make you think like, oh my gosh, my daughter's interior design, I'm so bad I can't even tell you the name of the different styles right now. She can't if I can tell you as much as she didn't drill me on that stuff. But anyway, some of the, you know, colonial times when you would see the floors and the dishes and stuff, the pottery with that in it. And then this is an embossing folder. It just says, you know, a lot of congratulatory stuff. You did it. Congratulations. Congrats. Way to go. So you can just make a quick card for somebody who's celebrating, who made an achievement. So that is it. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.